All right, hopefully you can hear me okay because I don't have a microphone plugged up. I'm about to head to the store. Made this video yesterday, man. I was so excited to make this video because I am unding. I'm taking off my feet before I head to the store. Then I'm gonna put it back on. I am unding this 19. Take a look at these before I head to the store because I just had them on foot and I walked around in my basement. But look, I am unding this 19-year-old cool gray 3, 19-year-old sneaker. Let's see if it falls apart on me. I doubt it will because I took very good care of them. Oh yeah. 19. And I also wanted to add, I've been doing this on purpose. So if you take a look at the way I have this laced up here, you see I have it laced in the first set of holes on the left foot, loose into the second set. I've noticed that it's been way more comfortable with me rocking my laces in that set of holes than this set of holes. It's just a little bit looser around the foot. I'm sure you'll know that already, but I actually been doing like an actual test on my feet. All right, I'll holler at y'all. All right, I just pulled up to the store. Now I'm gonna give you a quick little story time because you know that's what I do. Quick little story time on why I no longer fold in the mirrors to my car when I park. Now, I'm sitting inside the car right now, but this is why I no longer fold in the mirrors to my car. Now I'm gonna have to flip the camera around in order to do that. All right, boom. Now you see I have the cool gray 3s on foot right here. What I normally do is I put a little towel down, you know, that prevents the bottom of the shoes, you know, the back of the shoes from catching that driver's foot, as Skip Go Hard says. But this is the reason why I no longer, you see right here? This is the reason why I no longer flip in my mirrors whenever I park, because I used to have the auto flipping mirrors right there, as you can tell. I would have the auto flipping mirrors. Well, and normally whenever I go to the grocery store, what I do is I will typically pull up by myself. You know, I pull up to a parking spot that's far away from everybody else. Typically, people with nicer cars tend to do this. So you kind of park alone. Anyway, I pulled up, rolled my windows up, right? And like literally, as soon as I pulled up, rolled my windows up, I went to go open my door. As soon as I went to go open my door, boom, somebody hit my car door because he pulled up on the side of me. And I get out. All right, boom. So there goes the mirrors that's flipped in. Oh snap! What we got on? Okay, what we got on feet? But look, here it goes. So boom, I went to go open up my car door, and this cat hit me because I couldn't see him. That's the reason why I no longer flip my mirrors in. All right, check it. Boom. So we just got back home and let's take a look at the final result of the sneaker. Now keep in mind, this is a 19-year-old sneaker. The question is, did the sneaker crumble on me? Yes and no. Let me tell you why. This is the importance. You always hear it. You always hear it. Y'all see the horror videos. This is why it's important for you to wear your kicks. Yes, wear your sneakers. Now let me tell you what happened here. Just take a look. Just take a look. We see some paint separation right there. And as we come around to the side, we can see a bunch of paint separation all on the bottom right here, all on the top. And boom, there we go. There we go. And that's on both sides right there. So on both sides, you see the paint separation. Now, let me go ahead and push on this. I am pushing. I'm digging into this. So the midsole did not completely separate, but let me tell you what happened. We've had paint. We've literally had paint sitting on this shoe for 19 years and it hasn't been getting stretched. It hasn't been getting stretched, right? There hasn't been any movement on this paint. And now 19 years later, somebody wants to start flexing this paint. So what did the paint do? Of course it chipped, right? This is why you should wear your kicks. Man, I am not mad. I am not mad at all. man, I'm just gonna actually keep these in rotation. I'm so glad I made the first video on there so that I can finally unds them to kind of get like that actual test to show y'all what a 19-year-old sneaker will do when it's never been worn. Thanks for tapping in. Tap that like button. It's always loving this end, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.